Next we are going to do is disorders of respiratory system. This is our next topic. So you see children, first disorder that we will discuss is asthma. It is difficulty in breathing causing wheezing. Wheezing means a sound when a person is suffering from asthma. So while breathing they give a sound, सांस लेने की एक आवाज आती है due to the inflammation of bronchi and bronchioles. The bronchi and bronchioles inflammate. That means they have some swelling inside जिससे कि bronchi और bronchioles का passage कम हो जाता है. You see, this is the normal artery. ठीक है. एंड व्हेन अ पर्सन इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम एस्थमा तो उसकी देखो इन्फ्लेमेशन हो गई तो आर्टरी कितनी कम हो गई. और एस्थमा का जब अटैक हो किसी को बहुत ज़बरदस्त तो कितना पैसेज कम हो गया. तो जितना पैसेज कम होगा द एयर विल बी ऑल्सो लेस ऑफ एयर विल पास because less blood is passing, and because of the less blood flow less amount of oxygen is being given to the alveoli. So this is the problem with asthmatic patients. Next disorder is emphysema. You see, it is damage of alveolar walls. Now, alveoli are the main part of the lungs which help in the gaseous exchange. We have already studied this. Now, if a person is suffering from emphysema, what will happen? The alveoli walls are very weak now. So they have the walls of alveoli are damaged, and due to this it decreases the respiratory surface because जितने alveoli damaged है उतना respiratory surface कम हो गया, उतने alveoli are not working, and if alveoli are not working the amount of oxygen will also be reduced. Major reason for emphysema is if the person is smoking cigarettes and if he or she is a chain smoker. So this is how emphysema damages the lungs. Third one is children occupational respiratory disorders. If a person is working in such conditions where there is lot of dust, like industries where there is lot of dust, so defense mechanism of the body cannot cope with this situation. Right. So long exposure to such kind of situations like dust or pollen grains, or some of them who are working with cotton, or some of them who are working in glass industry, so inflammation may occur, and this will lead to fibrosis. Okay, that is damaging of lungs. Fibrosis is proliferation of fibrous tissue, that is the tissues will be damaged, and it will result to lung damage. Workers in such industries should always wear a protective masks. Okay, so that's the end of the chapter breathing and respiratory system. Thank you and have a nice day.